In this video, you will learn how to add text to your video project. So there's a couple of reasons you may want to use text as a title, as a caption, or just to add to provide information. So I am going to add some text to my project here. You'll notice that I left a gap at the beginning. That is because I wanted to add a title screen right there. So what I'm going to do is go to the Add Text. And then you'll see I have two options: motion, which is text that has movement to it, or static, which is just text that stays still. So I'm going to pick the motion. And if I put my mouse over these different options, it should show me what exactly that text is going to do. So I'm going to look for something that I can put at the beginning of my video. So I might try this one. I'm going to click on that. I can pick multiple options here and then add them all at the same time. But I'm just going to click this first one and add it. That will come into my media, and here it is. So I want to put that at the beginning of my video. So I'm going to drag it over here. But I do want to change the text. So I'm going to click on it by double click on it. And then you'll see these are the options that I have. So I have 3 lines, and I'm going to change them to, first one to animals, second one to of, and then third line to Africa. Save changes, and then I can preview what that is going to look like. Okay, so I like that. There was a little gap here after my title, so I do want to highlight all of my clips and just move that over to close that gap. So now I've added a title screen, and now I want to add some text within my project. So just say I wanted to add a caption here showing that this is a video clip of elephants. I'm going to go back into my add text, and I will search through looking for one that has just a one-line text, which I know there's something toward the bottom, and it's this one right here. So I'm going to click on that, add that one, and now it's here. So I'm going to drag that on top of my elephants. So I do want to change that. So I'm going to double click on that, and then I want to change the text, and I just want it to say elephants. I also have the option to change some of the colors. Right now it's green, but if I wanted to change it to say like a dark brown, I can see how that looks. And then the other light green I'll change to a lighter color. And so I can change the colors if I want as well. I can also change the size by going to the transform. And again, I'll have those same options I had with clips. I can scale that up if I want to make it larger, and I can move it onto anywhere on my screen that I like. I have some of the other options to flip and rotate, opacity and fade, but I'm just going to leave it the way it is and click Save Changes. So now as I play this, you'll see my title pops up, and then my video starts playing and my caption appears, and then it will disappear at the end. I can make this last longer if I'd like, or shorter, so you can play around with that as well. So those are a couple of ways that you can add text to your project. So have fun with it and explore.